Hey everybody, No Pro Garage here. Thought I'd do a quick review on this Alba shift knob I got a little bit ago. I bought it for the Can-Am. It's a nice knob. Here's the package. I already opened it, of course, but it's real nice billet aluminum knob. It's got some weight to it. Seems to fit in your hand well. Hold it like that. In the package you get a sticker, which I kind of like that. You don't see many stickers coming with things anymore. Allen key, and here's a threaded insert. It's got two dimples in it for the shifter, and then your shifter has two Allen keys that secure it to the shift shaft. But just take a look at this thing. It's pretty nice, and you could get it in a bunch of different colors. I bought mine off eBay. I think $39, which isn't terrible. I mean, could be a lot better, but I've seen other shifters on there going for $100, and I just can't imagine paying $100 for a shifter. But I'm gonna throw it on real quick and see how easy it is to install, and let you guys watch. Okay, so I just twisted this right off. No problem. This is a 13 millimeter. This is to lock it in place. So just back that off and twist this knob right off. Now I'm going to run that all the way down, and you should, let's see here, only thing you have to do is get these dimples lined up to the front. So I'm going to thread that on. And just make sure those are to the front. And then you're going to tighten this jam nut up to the bottom of the sleeve. And that should keep it from rotating around on you. And then all you have to do is slide that on and tighten up your set screws. I want to snug them just a little bit and make sure they're in those slots. Right there's a slot, I think. Those little dimples is what, yeah, make sure it's in the dimple. May end up having to put some Loctite on these. If you do, use blue Loctite, because you don't want red Loctite on something like this. You'll never get it off. Could add some more light here, couldn't I? Be better. Let's see. Get some metal to stick it to. I don't know if that helped or not. Anyway, I'm gonna make sure that's tight. That's all there is to that. That's a 2-minute job right there. And that is way better than the stock. Boy, it almost hits the almost hits the dash, but it clears when it's in park. looks good. Later on I'm gonna make a plate with my plasma that I'm gonna make one of the shift gates that has the reverse. You can do reverse high, and then you can shift it over like this, and you have reverse and low. And it looks fairly simple to make. I'll find out, but I think that would be a lot quicker, especially if you're trying to rock the bike a little bit, stuck or something. But I'll do a video on there if I do. Alright guys, just wanted to do a quick review on that. I'll tell you what, it feels good in your hand, so that's what she said. Alright. Alright, I realized there on the other video that I was cutting off most of it. You couldn't see the whole shift knob, so I was going to take this one and let you see that your hand, when you put it in park, you're going to have your hand like this, because if you have your hand up here, it's going to hit this. See, it won't go all the way into park, so you'll have to have your hand like that. I mean, it's just not bad. I usually keep my hand on top of it, sort of, so it might be a pain in the ass for me. But if you don't do that, maybe I'll have to get used to keep my hand down here on it. I usually have it up here, but I wanted to add that in just so you guys know. You know, this thing's pretty tall. It's probably a good 4 or 5 inches. But it does have a nice feel to it, so I like it. I think I can get used to keeping my hand down off the top of it. And if I don't, I guess I'll bust my knuckles or something. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe. Leave me some comments. Tell me what you think. If you want a link to this, I'll get you one, put it in the description. Just let me know. Like I said, $39 on eBay.